TikTok is hiding your messages. You are there asking Baba God to send you customers, but TikTok is right there hiding your messages. You cannot find them. You are complaining of low sales, but the sales was actually brought to your doorstep, but you did not collect it. Welcome back to my community. In today's video, we're talking about how to detect your hidden messages inside the same TikTok app. Let's jump right in. So this happened from a personal experience. We were running adverts, and because I know my audience when it comes to running TikTok advert that gives results, we're actually making sales. Sales were coming, no worries, no complaint. One day, my assistant sent me a message that some of our messages were hidden. I said, it's a lie. At this time, we've been running adverts consistently for like maybe 2 months. Your guess is as good as mine. Those people have already gotten their products elsewhere, thinking we were ignoring them. I'll be showing you how to see your hidden messages so you do not have to waste money on TikTok adverts or lose your customers. Let's jump right in. When running TikTok adverts, here is how to discover hidden messages. Click on this place your inbox is. Scroll through your inbox, click on request. You know when you get an inbox message request, exactly. Then afterwards, click on this filter. Now these are filtered requests. We cleared out a lot of other ones. Now the excess of this filtered request is so that unwanted messages do not come in. But in the process, they actually filter messages that are wanted, messages of people that want to buy your products. An example is this right here. These are messages that we later discovered after a long while, maybe after 2 or 3 months, and they were in the request. People asking for a WhatsApp number, people asking that, oh, I need a customized necklace, but we did not see them. If you find this video helpful, please like it, drop a comment and share, as it tells the algorithm this is a very good content, and push it out to more people like you that need to see this content. Thank you for your help. I'm so grateful. If you like to run TikTok adverts that convert into sale, you should be in my TikTok ad course and learn how to run adverts that will get people come into your inbox, buy your products, buy your services, and pay you. Even if your budget is small, send me a DM on Instagram, Roslyn, a course, and get access to the course. I also spoke about how you can reduce your tax, content to use in running adverts, how to see your analytics, how to turn off adverts not working, community guidelines, and lots more. If you're not willing to pay me for my course, it's okay. In this video, I shared how you can run adverts that convert. To some extent, you're able to pay me. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely catch you on the next one. Bye guys, I love you so much.